Here we go then, first lap, Supercross indoor track. Of course, we've been here a few times already. They've just redone the track freshly for our session, so it should be running nice. Get the bike worked in a bit. Got Nick behind us on his freshie. Get warmed up a bit. It's freezing out there today. He's off, look. Track should be running nice though. It's nice and quiet so far. Not too many people about. Jay's over there enjoying himself already. There's only me, Nick and Jay on the track at the minute. It's flowing nice so far. Just get a few warm-up laps in. So SX Worx is an indoor practice supercross track in Sheffield. They have an e-bike night every Saturday, 4:30 till 9 o'clock I believe. So you can come on your Surrons, Ultra Bs, Start Vargs. If it's electric and it's a dirt bike, more time you can come on. And they also do a lot of kids stuff, a lot of revy stuff, so if you got kids as well, bring them along, get the revies out. It's only a short track, but each lane is meant to be a practice for something different. So you got the tabletop jumps. Obviously each one's got a big bermy corner, so you can practice your corners. Another big tabletop jump that you can clear all the way over if you need to or want to or can. The two doubles. And then coming into the last section, as I call it, the whoops, the big jump that Jay's just done, and again sent it. Whew. Heavy landings. So I think each session is roughly 15 minutes long, so you do get a good session. And to be honest, by the end of the 15 minutes, if you've been going flat out, you're too tired to carry on anyway. And there is normally more than just us three on. I don't know why we're on ourselves at the minute, but we'll take it. Nice few practice laps with just this lot, but there should be more people on the track later, making it a bit more interesting, to say the least. Got that a treat though. I did finally tweak my suspension and it's feeling so much better. Taking some of the heavier hits, so much softer and nicer. The low speed compression and high speed compression adjustments on both the shock and the forks, making a big difference today, definitely on this track. Here comes Nick. Oh, hello. I'll go outside, see if he comes past. This is nasty. Oh, that is soft. It's just dead soft. There's no hard pack. Yeah, bit of a strange track today. The last time we came it was running optimum, everything was beautiful. Like I say, bit strange today. Got to take some lines that I wouldn't normally take. They are terrifying to do together. Woo-hoo. That first one is evil. Nice down there though, and that's it, the flag's out, final lap. Job done. So 72 volts, 3.5 miles on those first laps, saying 97%, now go up to 99. 1% for 3.5 miles, racing, not bad. Time for the chaos. Woo-hoo. Quick into it. Looks like there's a few out today as well. Now all the public has turned up. Like I say, we got lucky on the first lap. I'm not sure why there wasn't so many people. Looks like somebody's crashed already. There's a front mudguard on pieces on the floor. That's crazy. Woo! That makes me nervous though. People are stacking it already. You don't know what sort of riders are out there. Woo! I'm only an eco as well, that was a lot. Oh, I'm near a start varg. They absolutely roost you. I wonder how slippy the inside is today. It's not too bad. We got Dan ahead of us. If you remember Dan from the last videos, he's out with a fresh battery, giving it big uns, taking it on the inside. Woo! See if we can keep up with Dan for a lap on his upgraded battery, 67 volt. Oh, he's flying. He's gone for the inside. The inside's definitely shorter. Is he going to go for the doubles? Nah. Yeah, it's a bit different from the first laps we had when everybody's on the track, but it's good fun. If everyone's riding decent, it is good fun. Gets tiring though. A few laps and you're dead. I'm holding on for dear life. Oh, that was smooth. That was so smooth. Oh, he's gone inside. I've done them both. Happy days. Guess I got to set the pace though. Oh, we got him. Just. That was eco. We need daily. We're still cruising in eco. Whew. Ah, final flap. Final flap. Oh, did you say final flap? Yep. Oh, it smells like Jenny's. Stinks. Electric bikes, but powered by Jenny diesels. Makes sense. So this is it. Getting ready for round 3 on the track. We put it into daily, so we're now going to be running about 13 kilowatts instead of the 10 I was running, and we're going to be running more phase amps, so more torque. Let's get on it. Sorry if the camera angle's rubbish. It's hard to judge when you're racing around a track where you need it, but so we're in fast mode now, and you can definitely notice the difference straight away. Should be clearing some doubles a bit easier. Woo. Take the first laps a bit slow. Hey up, Jay's gone for it on the second double, but not the first. Woo, heavy. Jay's gone outside. It was mega soft around there earlier. Stuck behind a Talaria XXX. Woo. But he has got RFLOXA suspension, so we'll let him off. Doing bits for the team. Jay's going for it. He's done 2 of them. I don't know how he does it, to be honest. Try and get this corner a bit better. Lean back. Power. Lovely. That was better in daily, bit easier to hit the power. Oh, big sends. We're going inside, cutting up little man. Flying though, that was better. Whew. They're big jumps. They might not look it on camera, but you've got to give it some. It does get wild. Didn't want to send it and hit Nick. Jay's just overtaken him. Here he is. Whoa, whoa. Ah boy, good timing. When racing gets hairy. Took it like a trooper though, didn't he? Oh my god. Oh, he sent it. The Stark's after him as well. He's going for it again. He's still slipping. Woo! Can't go wrong with a bit of Surron Supercross. Whoa, we sent it. Wasn't prepared for it. Absolute carnage. Calm carnage. Jay's at the front. Big sender. Then we got the Stark. No sign of Nick. Couple Ultra Bs. Here's Jay. Still no sign of Nick. Here he comes. There's Dan. This is Nick. Send it. Yeah, boy. Ah, Jay's doing the walk of shame. What's he done? Oh no. Not a belt. Oh no. Oh, he's done it a good one. Oh, he's a right flatter.
Can we do it?
Yeah? Of course we can do it. Silly question. New tyre in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Inner tube changed. We're ready to go. Possibly the last session. It's a bit more quiet than it was. A lot of people have been killed off and gone home. Nick's had enough and gone home, so the track's quiet again. This is the good thing about SX Worx. If you turn up early, the first one's quiet, it gets busy, and then it gets quiet again, so by the end of it, you're flying. One final victory lap. Let's do it. Ooh, that was deep. That was perfect though. Finally getting them dead on. Woo. Still a big heavy one on that one. Boom. Final lap done. So that is going to end this video at the indoor Supercross practice track SX Worx in Sheffield here in the UK. If you've enjoyed watching this video, make sure you smash in that thumbs up button, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. I'm MattFrancis signing out. Peace.